Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can choose the MOV command in INVT PLC. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will practice the MOV command. Here also I will stop this all and you can see this is the data transmission instructions. Click it on this one. This is first command, move word data transmission instruction. But before this, type this command, we have to make a small logic to understand how we can use the move command. We will use this command with the help of one timer. For an example, we like to run a timer with the different values. So we will make the x0 our first input to run our one timer. You can take from here. Also this command icon is used for the instructions. When you type here TON, after you will get your on delay timer, and here you have to select the T, and here you have to give the form, means decimal number or which number you like to type the value. So here we have to choose the data register for the move instruction. Here we will type the D10 for example and click OK. Now what function will be performed when we write the value at the D10? That value runs in our T0, and next we will take one T0 and one output we will take Y0. Now we will take our move command. We will take here for an example M internal memory, we will take M0 for an example. First bit we can choose, and next we will choose from here also you can choose. I will explain you how can choose MOV. When you type after you will get the command, or otherwise you can cancel this one and you can direct drop and drag from here. Also you will get the command, and here you have to give the data. We have to write the D value, and here also target value, also we need the D. So here we have to give the address. For an example, we will decide it here D10. We have to value moves in the D10. First value we will take the D0, and next we have to choose the D10. Because of we have to like to move the value into the D, and data we will where we write this, we will take the T0 and click OK. And now one more bit we will take M bit, and this address we will take 5 for example, and click OK. And again this we will D move value, take it here, and here also same we will take D. Here also take the D, and here is we have to change the data. For example, D5 will take, and here we have to change the D10, because of we have to move the value in the D10. Now it is two speeds we selected for this one timer. How it works? Let's download the program into the PLC, and after test, click on download. Click yes and monitor. And now this our first, for an example, this is our first time. Here is in the timer not have any value. We will type it here in the D0. For an example, we type the 55 seconds to run our timer, and second speed we will choose, for an example, 100. Now when we move this one, when we make this M0 on, now I will make the M0 on, and you can see that's the value moves into the D1050 value moves. And as we press the X0, after our timer will be started, and as the value finished at the 50, after you will be see our output will be on. Now it's working accordingly 50 value, but maybe behind the logic, yani if we need the value different, so next signal may be come for the M5, so our value will be move 100. Now our timer will be work accordingly. 100 means 10 seconds after make it on. You can see now our output will be energized after 10 seconds. So very simple method when you're using in the program. Maybe 100 times you like to be move the value in your timer with the one command, means with the move command. After your timer works accordingly this time. As I press the X0, moves the 100 value means 10 second into the T0. Or if we like to move the 50 value, so we will make it on. Just we have to be make it on and off our internal memory, so our value will be automatically changed in the timer. Now is 50, and when you give the signal at X0, it's working accordingly 5 seconds, right? So hope guys you will be better understand about the move command, how we can use the move command and why we use the move command in the various different kinds of the systems inside the PLC. You can use with the timers, with the counters, or many more programs when you make the changes in the program with the help of move command. So hope guys you will be understand about this move command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.